Hello everybody. We are here for another Laxmi video. Today is about a thread milling from Wanderer Manufacturing. Enjoy the video and leave us some feedback. This thread milling machine is capable to work with 35mm diameter, as well as 40mm diameter spindle by using long fixturing. With a maximum workpiece length of 3000mm and a swing over cross slide of 200mm, is perfect for manufacturing and industrial working. The video can demonstrate it as well. Center height of this beauty is about 210mm, while the spindle bore is 85mm. What more can you ask to this German masterpiece? With the wide range of options for cutting and engraving, it combines ease of use, strong construction, and the highest power performance in its class. The bearings on this machine have been designed with excellence, complying with international standards. We really like this one. How about you? As you can see, the mechanical parts works perfectly. You can see the machines that we have available directly by visiting our Indian branches. The CEO will provide you with all the answers you need. You can find the locations in the Contact Us section of our website or in the description of this video. Also ask to our Italy office team whatever you want. Efficiency and reliability are really important to us. If you watched all the video to this point, consider to subscribe and leave a like. As always, thank you for watching.